Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do another unboxing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today ay mag-unboxing na naman tayo ng another master copy. So this one I got from online. It's only high quality master copy. So ito siya. Tring. Ang open natin siya. So maganda rin yung packaging niya kasi may paribon pa siya. Chanel. Diba? And so i-open natin. Mamatay yung Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do another unboxing. And this one I got from online, and it's only master copy. Master copy but high quality. So Abudi is with me. So we're going to do unboxing here. So show it open. So this one, see? Meron pa siyang paribon, and it's Chanel. And here also, so open it, Bud. Here. So they will see. Ta-da! Wait. Hello, open. Ta-da! Show them first this one. See this. Wait, Bud. Go there. Oh, here. We will show this first. This one.
Don't see.
Remove your hand. See? So, ito yung ano niya, yung dust bag niya. So, yan. So, open it. Stand there. Okay, open. 1, 2, 3. Show them first. Like this. See? So, ito siya, guys. Master copy Chanel. Yeah. Wait, Bud. Let me see. So, meron siyang, ano dito, bulsa. Okay. So, dalawa na kami na mag-unboxing. Remove first this one. Show them this one. Put in the camera. Show in the camera.
Mommy, what is this?
Card. Now, so itutuloy natin, guys. So ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. So this one. See, master copy. Pero ano siya, maganda.
The copy.
Master copy. Wait, be careful. So, i-open ko. Magulo naman si Abud. Wait. So, naka-engrave yung mga ano niya. Wait, I will show this one.
See?
Wait. Wait. Wait, I will show them first. Wait na. Wait. They will not see. So, nandyan yung ano niya, code. Nandito. So, 1, 2 compartment. Bali 3. Kasi meron pa siya dito. This is only plastic. So, wait. We're going to... Yeah. There. Oh. Okay. Be careful. dress. And wait.
See, what was it? Look, his head.
No, don't remove first. Wait na, wait. Show them first. Wait na.
Oh, how is his head?
So, ito siya guys.
Type,
Ayan.
Coffee. Coffee.
Master copy.
Coffee.
So, oh wait. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, there is 2 compartment. 1
Two.
and 2.
Three.
No. Ayan. 3. Meron pala siya dito.
Four.
And wait. At the back.
Four.
4.
Five.
Okay, 5. Ayan. Sa tuktok niya.
That's the best.
Okay. And made in France. So, nandun yung loob niya, yung code. Meron siyang code dito sa loob. Ayan. So, yan. So, maganda siya, guys. High quality. Master copy, pero high quality siya.
Copy.
Master copy. So, ito, guys. Hope you enjoy watching our magulong unboxing. Ayan. Wait. No guys, so we're going to continue. So ipapakita ko lang. So, nandun yung code niya sa loob. So, this is only master copy, high quality. So, ayan. Maganda siya. Ayan. Pwedeng sling, pwedeng handbag. Tapos pwede rin siyang sling. So, ito siya guys. Sling bag. Ayan. So, maganda siya. And, ano din siya? Pwede. Ayan. Pwede siyang ayan. Pwedeng handbag. So, ayan. Pwedeng handbag.